In Afghanistan, people are facing a hunger crisis this winter. Millions are on the brink of famine. As well as the danger of coronavirus and the recent conflict, families have faced the worst drought in 27 years. Economic collapse also means food prices have shot up and more than 8 million people are severely short of food. Children are dying. 1 million more under the age of 5 are at risk this winter. This is an emergency. The Disasters Emergency Committee in Wales is urgently appealing for our help. Our support will help provide food and emergency nutrition for children, support hospitals, and provide supplies for those who have been forced from their homes. We all know the generosity shown over the past year. Now it's time to share that generosity to those in desperate need. Please give what you can. For more information about how to donate, please visit dec.org.uk. With your help, we can save lives in Afghanistan. Diolch yn fawr.